भगवते वासुदेवाय वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुता पदकमलम्. Or at the present moment we are in disease condition, they do not know what is disease condition and what is the healthy condition. These rascals. They do not know anything, still they are passing on as great scientists, philosophers. They do not inquire that I do not want to die. Why death is enforced upon me? There is no such inquiry, neither there is any solution. And still they are scientists. What kind of scientist? Science means that you advance in knowledge so that your miserable condition of life can be reduced, minimized. That is science. Otherwise, what is this science? They are simply promising in future. But what you are delivering just now, sir, just now you suffer, as you are suffering, go on suffering. In future we shall find out some chemicals. No. Actually, attantik dukkha nivritti. Attantik, ultimate. Attantik means ultimate. Dukkha means suffering. That should be the aim of human life. So they do not know what is attantik dukkha. Dukkha means suffering. The attantik dukkha is pointed out in the Bhagavad Gita. Here is the attantik dukkha, sir. What is this? Janma mittu jara vyadhi. Birth, death, old age and disease. So what you have done for vanishing or making or nullifying these dukkha, these sufferings. So there is no such thing in the material world. Attantik dukkha nivritti, ultimate relinquishment from all kinds of suffering is stated in the Bhagavad Gita. What is that? Mam apita kaunteya dukkhalayam asasatam napnubanti mahatmana samsiddhing paramangana. So you should read all this. You have got Bhagavad, everything explanation. This is attantik dukkha nivritti, ultimate relinquishment from all sufferings. What is that? Mam apeta, one who approaches me, or one who comes to me, back to home, back to God. So they have no knowledge what is God and whether one can go back to home, back to Godhead, it is a practical thing or not. No knowledge. Simply like animals, that's all. No knowledge. They pray, oh God, give us our daily bread. They are asking, what is God? Can you explain? No. Then whom we are asking in the earth? If I ask, if I submit some petition, there must be some person. So I do not know what is that person where to submit this petition. Simply, they say that is in the sky. The sky, there are so many birds also, but there is not God. There is no knowledge. No knowledge. Imperfect knowledge. All. And they are passing on scientists, philosophers, great thinkers, writers, all rubbish. All rubbish. The only book is Bhagavad, Srimad Bhagavad. All rubbish. In the Bhagavad it is said, Tadvaga visarga janataga vipla jasmin pratislokam abadhavatapi नामानि नन्तस्य जसोंकितानि जप सिन्नन्ति गायन्ति गिरन्ति साधव. And on the other side, natat vachaschitta padang harer jasa. Praginita karhichit tad vayasam tirtham. Tad vayasam tirtham. Any literature which has no connection with the knowledge of God, tad vayasam tirtham, that is just like the place where the crows take enjoyment. Where the crows take enjoyment. The filthy place. And the swans, the white swans, they take pleasure in a nice clear water where there is garden, there is birds. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.